Hey guys, so she was a little dirty, so I decided to give her a hand wash. Use some of the Chemical Guys stuff that I bought on Amazon Prime during Prime Day, including their foaming gun that you hook up to the hose. In all reality, not nearly the same as a pressure washer, but it did a decent job of soaping it up and giving it a nice base coat to use the scrubber. She's all clean now, so looking pretty good in the sun. We'll take her out later today to head over to Campbell Collision to get an update on the X5M, and take you along with us. So the X5M's been gone for a little while because it's been over here at Campbell Collision. So I came over here to talk to our friends and see what's going on with the car. Let's go back and check it out. That wing! Oh, that's so dope.
Okay. They're idiots, I said. Oh yeah, there you go.
Yeah.
I didn't even pay attention that you're getting that.
I forgot about it and I walked right past it and didn't see it. I think it looks dope. That looks so good.
Actually, you know what? I think I'm glad the other one didn't fit.
Yeah.
I think it would have made it been a little bit overboard at that point.
A little too much carbon?
No,
is there such a thing as too much carbon?
Because this, in terms of lines, the way I see it,
yeah,
this is kind of lines, right? Where this goes up to here, this goes here. That other one would have protruded all the way down.
Yeah,
so
no, I see what you mean.
Yeah.
Oh, those little side markers, the reflectors being black.
Yeah, it's just a wrap.
It looks good though. I like it.
Huh? Yeah.
Oh, that's dope. Front reflectors.
So you saw the video I sent you, right?
What? I couldn't see it. Lights in there.
Nice.
Look at those LEDs. Like, you can't see it unless they're on.
Yeah, no, that's